Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this lovely little paper boat. It only takes about 5 minutes and it's so much fun to play with. All you'll need is a square sheet of paper, 15 by 15 centimeters. First, fold the paper diagonally. Unfold it and fold along the other diagonal. Unfold again. Now, take the bottom corner and fold it to the center. Then, fold the bottom edge to the center once more. Unfold and repeat the same steps on the other sides. Here's what you should have. Fold the paper in half. Take the right side and fold it upward to make a right angle, just like in the video. On the other side, the fold should meet the marked point. Repeat on the other side. Now, gently fold it back, open the middle, and tuck the corner inside. Do the same on the other side. Take one sail, fold it towards you, then lift it up with the second fold. Press it firmly and tuck it inside. And here's our beautiful little boat. I wish you lots of creative joy and see you soon on our channel.